butter?
So it won't stick. Okay.
And the brown sugar.
Now, you mix the strawberries, are you?
Oh, strawberries.
Lagay mo. Sige.
Oh, I was afraid that would happen. Ah!
Sige, lagay mo yan. Magkukok naman yun. Lagay mo din yun. Kukuha ko talaga siya. Mix mo na.
Yum. Do I smash it?
Oh no! Masarap yung nakakain yung strawberry sa loob, no? Or you want to smash? Yung glaze yung smash natin. Oh, sige na. Ano yun mo na? Oh, hindi tayo matatapos na. Next time talaga bili tayo sa McD. May nakita na ako yung pang mix.
Pang mix.
May nakita nga akong pan doon, yung para sa mga brownies, ay muffin.
Cupcakes?
Cupcake. May nakita ako doon. Hindi pala may measuring ano din tayo. Tansya-tansya lang to eh.
Measuring cup?
Oo.
Arya. Eating. Strawberry.
May healthy man ng strawberry.
Ah. Okay.
Healthy man, Daddy. Talaga.
Parang hindi ma-waste.
Ano ba? Yung ganyan?
Meron din chocolate ah.
Oh, it's still fresh. Yay!
Let's see kung nag-melt. Hindi naman. Matigas pa din.
Maybe it's too frozen. I still want her. Is it hot?
No.
Oh.
To do it?
Yeah, this is gonna taste sweet.
Hindi, para lang yan sa design.
Oh.
Hindi siya, wag mong yung light lang para ma-mix yun sa taas.
It's like roses. Design of swirls or roses.
Yeah, swirls.
Like this. For Mother's Day. Nagawa tayo ng flower.
Okay, let's wait for 40 minutes.
I thought it was going to be 60 minutes like last time.
Okay, I think we can do our work poster.
Work poster thingy. Like
It's the doctor. Yun, ilalagay mo dito sa side. Tapos,
Testito.
Oo.
Testito? Or the doctor? Here.
dito lang sa side.
Draw the-
Dito
draw
yung
the
draw
doctor?
the doctor.
Wait, do I draw it or you print it?
Print.
I don't want to draw it. Not perfect lines.
Print.
poster natin for bukas. Doctor ako. Tapos dyan ang cameraman natin.